welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mariah Gallegos, also known as Glam Gal on Instagram. And today I recorded this look using a bunch of different drugstore products, some that I have loved and have used for a while and some that are new. But anyways, if you want to see how I created this look with a bunch of drugstore products, super affordable makeup, then go ahead and just keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to be using some of the Morphe eyeshadow primer. I like to apply it on the back of my hand and then go ahead and apply it on my lid. I actually really enjoy this eyeshadow primer. I think it works really nice. So for eyeshadow, I picked up one of the new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. It's called Cosmic Charge. I think that it's absolutely stunning. Wet n Wild really is outdoing themselves. Okay, so we're gonna start off by taking the transition shade up top. They don't have names, so I guess number 1. Like a darker version of Creamsicle from the Jack and Hill palette. I think that it's absolutely like stunning. Okay, so now that I have that just kind of like messily, just like literally, I like act like I don't even care. Next in the palette, I'm gonna go in with the bottom transition color, which is just shade number 10, I guess. And I'm just gonna use the same brush. They're blending together really nicely. I'm not seeing any like weirdness happening. So next I'm gonna dip into the black in the palette, and I'm just gonna stick that right in the outer. And I've been using the same brush for this all, and I don't feel like it's looking muddy. So those are these swatches. I definitely do think that the two darker shades look better in person. I think my camera is just not doing them justice. Okay, we're gonna make this wearable because those golds and bronze in here just really good for me. So like this foundation looks really nice. Okay, so then I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and just kind of marry the two a little bit. Go in with the lighter shade. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the bronze and just bring that up. I didn't want this to be super like bright on the inner. I still wanted it to be, you know, sultry. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this video just super drugstore product. So we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. So let's go ahead and move on to the face. I have the new Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer. Super hydrating, which you gotta love. Smells really nice, like super nice. And my skin gets a little bit tacky. I'll just go ahead and read the back to you guys. Apply to clean skin, use alone or under foundation. Revolutionary cream to water formula, which was very true. I will say that it got super wet after I started rubbing it in. That sounded gross. Creates and locks in moisture, blurs the appearance of pores. I don't know. Still, actually, I don't know if that's just the mask I did earlier, so I'm not gonna go ahead and be like, yeah, actually, like I feel like my pores are gone, because I don't know if that's what's moaning or something else. So carry on. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This foundation isn't anything new. I've been kind of using it here and there. I also mostly got it for like videos like this where I have like a drugstore option for foundation, and it doesn't look bad at all. I actually really like this foundation. My skin looks super like dewy underneath this foundation, and this foundation is more of a matte finish. So I do think that that primer really gave me a nice like luminous, I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, like right here. Like I don't have no powder on, like it's just the foundation. I guess we'll let it sit down and see like for sure before I'm like revolutionary. So let's go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind in Sand. I'm gonna wet my beauty blender. Give me 1 second. So to brighten, I don't know if I should use this concealer. I feel like it's super old. And with that being said, I probably shouldn't. Like I should just avoid getting any more acne. So I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer in Light 16. This is very light. I mostly use this color to cut my crease, and I love this concealer to do that. I'm gonna go into some of my Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder that I'm like literally like almost out of, you guys, and payday is a couple days away. So for blush, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blush in Just Curious, which just brings everything together. And go back to the eyes now. A little brush like so, and go ahead and just kind of build up the underneath. by just starting off with the first transition color. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take a little smudger brush like this one, and I'm gonna take the dark brown. And then I think for eyeliner, I'm just gonna go in with a nude just to make the eyes pop. And this one's just from Rimmel London. I've had it for a while and I absolutely love it. And then going back to the eyes, I'm gonna take a little bit of the black on the same liner brush, and I'm just gonna really define. Let's go ahead and do some highlighter. This was the palette that I should have used to contour with, but I didn't because I literally just got it now, because that's the way life goes. I'm gonna use some of my Catrice Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Setting Spray. Pick a Venus from the Morphe 8H palette. My dog literally just opened up that fucking thing again. I'm going to take it there. We're gonna pop on the Allure in Vegas nail lashes. These are the Absolute Allure lashes. I've never tried this style lash really, but I feel like with this look it could be fun. This eyeshadow look literally looks like I do with my Soft Glam palette. Okay, I think those actually are really cute and make a nice little switch up to the same lashes that I wear in every single video. Okay, so I just lined my lips with NYX Downtown Beauty, and I'm going to fill it in with the new ColourPop I Love Steady E Sueno de Coco. I don't know, I'm probably butchering that. So here you guys have the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe before you guys leave. And that's pretty much the video. That's all I have for you guys.